How to apply for job on Craigslist. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can apply for job on Craigslist. For that, you need to open any web browser on your device and in the search bar, you need to type sfbay.craigslist.com. Once you have entered this keyword, now press the enter button to search it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Craigslist. Here you can choose your city or the closest city to you from the right sidebar. Once you have selected the closest city to you, now click on this jobs button. Once you click on it, now you will be redirected to a new page where you will be presented with various job vacancies available in that specific area. Here once it loads, you can click on this search bar and find the specific job that matches your criteria. And once you find the job you'd like to apply, click on the job title to open the full job listing. Now in this page, you need to carefully read the job description to understand the requirements and the responsibilities. At the bottom of the job listing, here look for the application instruction. Most of the job listing will provide an email address or link to an online application form. If there is a link to an online application, you need to click the link and follow the instructions to complete the application. But if the link is not available, you need to click on this reply button at the top, and here you will be able to find the email address. Click on this email, and from this drop-down menu, here you can find the official email. You can also use other webmails like Gmail, Yahoo from the list. Now you will need to prepare an email with your resume and cover letter. Also double check for any instructions such as using a particular subject line or include certain details. Now you can send your resume and cover letter via this email to the company. So in this way you can apply for jobs on Craigslist. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.